Hello students, welcome to Chetan classes. We are going to learn Cramer's rule. Cramer's rule. हमने लास्ट वीडियो में डेफिनेशन ऑफ डिटर्मिनेंट, हाउ टू फाइंड डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ ऑर्डर 2x2 एंड 3x3 ये देखा है. आज हम क्रैमर्स रूल के बारे में सीखेंगे. सो फर्स्ट, टू इक्वेशंस विथ टू अननोन्स. तो पहले स्टेप्स देख लेते कि हमें कैसे अप्लाई करना है. सो कंसिडर two equations in two variable as a1x plus b1y is equal to c1. Consider this equation number 1. And a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. Consider this is equation number 2. Then Cramer's rule for two unknown is x is equal to dx upon d and y is equal to dy upon d. Here note d is not equal to 0, where d means determinant of a1, b1, a2, b2. It means d means determinant of coefficients of x and y. First column is the coefficient of x and second column is coefficient of y. Now dx is equal to c1, c2, b1, b2. It means in first column we put the constants and second column as it is, and dy is equal to, here first column as it is a1, a2 and constant put in second column. Okay, similarly in three equations with three unknowns. Example, solve the following equations by Cramer's rule. Equation is 5 upon x plus 2 plus 3 upon y plus 1 is equal to 2, and second equation is 10 upon x plus 2 minus 3 upon y plus 1 is equal to 1. Solve by Cramer's rule. This equation is of 4 marks question. So in both the equation 1 upon x plus 2 and 1 upon y plus 1 is there. So we consider, let 1 upon x plus 2 we consider as capital X and 1 upon y plus 1 we consider as capital Y. So our equation becomes 5x plus 3y is equal to 2. This is equation number 1, and 10x minus 3y is equal to 1. This is equation number 2. Now find the determinant. First column has coefficient of x. So coefficient of x in first equation, that is 5. Coefficient of x in second equation, that is 10. And second column is coefficient of y. So in first equation coefficient of y is 3 and in second equation coefficient of y is minus 3, which is equal to minus 15 minus 30 is equal to minus 45. Now d capital X. So in first column we put constant, that is 2, 1, and second column as it is, that is 3 minus 3, which is equal to minus 6 minus 3 is equal to minus 9. Now d capital Y. So first column as it is and put constant on second column is equal to 5 minus 20 is equal to minus 15. Therefore, by Cramer's rule, Cramer's rule, we get capital X is equal to, write the formula dx upon d, and capital Y is equal to dy upon d. Put the values. So x is equal to minus 9 upon minus 45 and y is equal to minus 15 upon minus 45. Therefore, x is equal to here 1 by 5 and y is equal to 1 upon 3. But equation number, here consider that equation as star. We consider capital X as 1 upon x plus 2 and capital Y is equal to 1 upon y plus 1. So substitute here the values. Capital X means 1 upon x plus 2 is equal to 1 upon 5 and capital Y means 1 upon y plus 1 is equal to 1 upon 3. Take reciprocal. So x plus 2 is equal to 5 and y plus 1 is equal to 3. Therefore, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. So the solution of given equation is 3, 2. Okay. Next example. Solve the equations by Cramer's rule. First equation, x plus z is equal to 4. Second, y plus z is equal to 2 and x plus y is equal to 0. So x plus z is equal to 4, consider equation number 1. Y plus z is equal to 2, consider equation number 2. And x plus y is equal to 0, consider equation number 3. So D is, first column is coefficient of x. So in first equation, coefficient of x is 1. Second equation, x is not there, so 0. And in third equation, coefficient of x is 1. Now second column, coefficient of y. So in first equation, y is not there, so put 0. In second equation, 1 and third equation, 1. Third column, coefficient of z. So in first equation, that is 1. In second equation, 1 and third equation, 0. Now solve this determinant. We know the formula how to find the determinant of order 3 cross 3. So 1 into 1, 1, 1, 0 minus 0 plus 1 into 0, 1, 1, 1 is equal to 1 into 0 minus 1 minus 0 plus 1 into 0 minus 1. So minus 1 is equal to minus 2. So D is minus 2. Now find dx. So in dx means first column, write the constants, that is 4, 2, 0. Second and third column same as D. Solve this determinant. So 4 into determinant of 1, 1, 1, 0 minus 0 plus 1 into 2, 1, 0, 1 is equal to 4, 0 minus 1 minus 0 plus 1, 2 minus 0. So minus 4 plus 2 is equal to minus 2. Now dy. So dy is, put constant in second column, first and third column as it is. So 1, 0, 1. Here 4, 2, 0 and third column 1, 1, 0. So 1 into determinant of 2, 1, 0, 0 minus 4 into 0, 1, 1, 0 plus 1 into 0, 2, 1, 0 is equal to 1 into 0 minus 4, 0 minus 1 plus 1, 0 minus 2. So we get here 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Now dz, in third column we put the constants first and second column as it is. So first column 1, 0, 1, second column 0, 1, 1 and 4, 2, 0 is equal to 1 into determinant of 1, 2, 1, 0 minus 0 plus 4 into 0 1 1 1 is equal to 1 into 0 minus 2 minus 0 plus 4 into 0 minus 1. So minus 2 minus 4 is equal to minus 6. Therefore, by Cramer's rule, we get x is equal to dx upon d, y is equal to dy upon d, and z is equal to dz upon d. Therefore, x is equal to dx is minus 2 and d is minus 2. So here minus 2 upon minus 2, y is equal to dy is 2 upon minus 2 and z is equal to minus 6 upon minus 2. Therefore, x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 1 and z is equal to 3. This is the solution of the given equation.